Welcome to our guide on navigating immigration for in-laws. Many families face intricate immigration scenarios, especially involving in-laws, which we'll be addressing today. Let's briefly cover our agenda for today's video. We'll start with an overview of a common scenario, continue with key considerations, then move into advice and suggestions. We'll make sure to highlight important notes, and finally, conclude with some actionable steps. We'll start by exploring a scenario that many might find familiar. Your in-laws have entered the country on a visitor visa and have applied for asylum. Their application has been pending for about 2 years now, and they have received a social security number and an employment authorization document, allowing them to work. It's a situation that poses unique challenges and requires careful navigation. Delving deeper into the scenario, several key considerations arise. Firstly, the status of the asylum application is critical. If approved, it opens up a different pathway to permanent residency. However, if denied, it could affect other options. Next, there's the issue of unlawful presence. If your in-laws have overstayed, they may incur penalties. Your wife, being a U.S. citizen, can file an I-130 petition for her parents, which, if approved, allows them to apply for a green card. Finally, consulting an immigration attorney is essential, given the complexities involved. It's quiz time. What is one possible consequence of overstaying a visitor visa? Is it A, easier process for obtaining a green card, B, no impact at all, C, penalties and potential need for waivers, or D, immediate deportation? You may pause the video now to think about the answer, and we will discuss the answer in the next section. The correct answer is C, penalties and potential need for waivers. Overstaying a visitor visa often leads to penalties, which can complicate future immigration actions. When it comes to advice and suggestions for handling such scenarios, here's a step-by-step guide. The first and most crucial step is to consult an immigration attorney. They can provide invaluable, tailored advice for your family's specific circumstances. If unlawful presence is a concern, discuss with an attorney about possible waivers. Understanding the asylum process is key, as its outcomes significantly influence other opportunities. Lastly, gather all necessary documentation, including proof of U.S. citizenship and any relevant evidence, to support petitions. Moving on to important notes, it's vital to stress that each immigration case is unique, and laws are subject to change. Therefore, availing professional legal counsel is indispensable for effectively navigating the constantly evolving complexities of immigration. Let's wrap up the key points from our discussion today. First, it's important to have a clear understanding of the scenario your in-laws are in. Remember, key factors include the status of their asylum application, the legality of their stay, and the options for an I-130 petition. Consulting an attorney will help navigate these complex situations effectively. Finally, ensure all necessary documentation is prepared in advance. Thank you for watching our guide on navigating immigration for in-laws. If you found this information helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. See you next time.